If you ever took my original class from many years ago, I always said, type is life. I also always said that one day I'm going to go to a bar next to a tattoo parlor, drink too much, get type life written on my knuckles. Here's the funny thing about everything that we do as programmers. Think about any line of code you've ever written in any programming language. I promise you that line of code can only do one of three things. That code is either allocating some memory, reading memory, or writing to memory. There isn't anything else that code does. That's Kronk's advantage over Obama. In fact, I sometimes go to bed and I ask God, please don't allow anybody to release a model tomorrow because I need some sanity and I need to get some work done. You're laughing, but you get ready. You have to invest in yourself, whether it's hardware, whether it's tokens. If you're not investing in yourself, then why should I be investing in you?